we're back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to A-B split test System.io landing pages. So with no further ado, let's start. So before we really dive into this, I'm just gonna give you a little background on what System is or what is System.io is. So it is an online software helping you deliver knowledge to your customers. So System is an online platform letting you set up a complete website for selling and conducting online courses. And it can be used by bloggers, schools, or even an aspiring businessman or businesswoman or an entrepreneur like you or to those who already have an operating businesses to deliver knowledge to their audience. So it gives you the tools to create and manage your own marketing platform for both digital and physical goods. So using a variety of templates. So this website already gives you a pre-made templates for free, and you can build an eye-catching and professional sales pages without the usual guesswork. So now I'm gonna teach you how to a system account. So what you have to do is you input system.io and it will lead you here. So as you can see here, you will see enter your email address to get started for free. So what you have to do is to input your email address over here and wait for it to give you a confirmation registration. You will see on your email that you've input here an email saying hi. In order to access your system.io account, please click on this confirmation link. So if you click on that confirmation link, it will then direct you to your system account dashboard. So here you'll see your new leads, your sales, and your live updates. So now we are going to create our funnels. So before that, we use sale funnels or funnels to grow our business into a multi-million dollar business. And it's a key component of digital marketing, and it refers to a series of steps that lead you prospects to the decision of purchasing your products step by step. So it also helps you to understand what potential customers are thinking and doing at each stage of purchasing journey. And these insights allow you to invest in the right marketing activities and channels and create the most relevant messaging during each stage and turn more prospects into paying customers. So here on the right side, you will see your menu bar, and under that, you will see funnels. You click on that, and here you will see your funnel page. Here you will see your funnel page, and as you can see here, I started really from scratch. So you'll see, oops, looks like the list is empty. So what we are going to do is to create a funnel. So on the right side, you will see a create or a plus sign and then create. Click on that, and here you will name our funnel. Let's say mug, and then click on build an audience. It is to collect the email addresses and build your email list. So whoever input their email to get notifications to your store and shop, you will have it. So let's change the money currency depending on what your currency. Actually, it depends on what currency you have. And for me, let's say Philippine peso, and then click create. So here you will see this setup. You'll see squeeze page and the opt-in thank you page. So what you have to do is to click on the squeeze page here. So if you click on that, you will see the templates that will be given to you. You just choose a template there. Let's say I'm gonna select this, and on the right side you will see this view funnel step. Click on that and it will lead you to this. So basically your page will look like this. So they will enter their name and email to get notifications from your store, and we're gonna use that, and we will save the funnel step. So click on that, and now your funnel step is saved. So here you will see next is you will see an opt-in thank you page. Click on that, and you will be given another templates. It's basically a thank you page for those who visited and input their email addresses. It is to commemorate their subscription. So let's just say I'm gonna use this one. Select this and then view. Let's view this again. You're all set. Join our Facebook group. Thank you for signing up for our newsletter. And we're gonna save it. Save this funnel step. And on the left side again, you will see create step. You click on that. And let's say revision, just revision, and type of off step, you will click squeeze page and then save. And now you will choose another template for this. So basically this is the page where you will compare your test or the two pages that you want to run the test. View again if it's our choice. Let's say I'm gonna use this. So save funnel step. And then on the right side, you will see the first squeeze page. So what you have to do is to run our A/B test. And before that, why, if you're wondering what is the purpose of the A/B testing, so it allows individuals, teams, and companies to make a very careful changes to their user experiences while collecting data on results. So this allows them to construct hypotheses and to learn why certain elements of their experiences impact user behavior. So it allows decision makers to choose the best design for website by looking at the analytics results obtained with two possible alternatives, A and B. So for this, our alternatives will be the squeeze page and the revision. So what we're going to do is here you will see the A/B test. So you click on A/B test and you will see here choose a variant. So in choosing variant, we're gonna use revision and then the goal page would be the thank you download page. And here, now you've already chosen a variant that you will compare. So here you will see start A/B test. Click on that. Then it will basically run. Like it just needs a little second or a little time for it to run. And here you will see the comparison of both pages. So the page views all and then the conversation rate. And basically that's just it. And as you can see, I have zero because I just made the templates and the site. That's why there are still no views. But if you've already made it or you already have a website to compare on, then the numbers or results will come out here. And you will see which page is visited has been gathering more customers' interest compared to the other one. And then basically you could just think of a way how to boost it or just cancel that page. So basically that's it. And that is all for today. You can now run your own split test landing pages. So I hope this video was beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video to your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may assist or you may give a help or give a hand to them, especially in running a business. So I hope this was useful and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you very much.